Hello friends, welcome to Bits and Bytes channel C programming series. In this series, we are going to learn a simple C programming where we will find the number of bits set in a given number. To do so, we declared a number, integer number, and assigned a value of 5. So in the binary format, when we represent the 5, this is looks like this, where we have a 1 set at 2 positions. So our logic should find how how many bits are set in this number. So in this example, it should be 2. So let's see how we can achieve this. At the first place, we have to find what is the size of the given example number. Here, the given example is of type integer, which is 32 bits size. In order to find that, we can use the size of operator. So size of operator with the variable name gives us the bytes of used in that integer. So which is 4 bytes. So in terms of bits we need, so we are multiplying it with the number of bits in a byte, which is a macro defined, which is 8. So this gives us the size as a 32. And we are declaring another variable called count, which keeps the value of the number of bits set in our logic. And here we will try to see the size by printing what is the total size of the bits used in the given number. So to find the number of bits set, we have to follow the iteration which iterates from 0 to 32. Total 32 bits we have, so 0 to 31, so 32 iterations we have to follow. In the first iteration, what we have to check is for the given number we have to AND the value with a 1. When we AND a value 1 at bit position 0, it gives a result as a non-zero value, which is 1. And then in the next second iteration we have to left shift this 1 by the 1 position. When we left shift this one with position value 1, then we get the binary value as 1 0. And when we AND this with a given number, we get a 0 after the binary multiplication. Similarly, we have to do this iteration till the end of the 32 iteration so that we cover all the 32 bits. So this is what we have done in this for loop. Here the for loop is executed 32 times to cover all the 32 bits, and for each of the time we are checking by ANDing the number with the one left shifted by the bit position, which is taken from value I. And whenever the result of this AND operation is non-zero, we are incrementing the count. So as you see here, when we AND it and we get the value 1, which is a non-zero. When the result of this if condition is non-zero, we increment the count value as a when. When the when the multiplication result, when the AND operation result is 0, we will not increment this count. So this should be repeated to all the 32 bits, and at the end of 32 iterations we will get the total number of bits set, and that can be printed using the print statements here. So let's compile this and see how the results look like. I'm using any online compiler to test this feature. So as you see in the results, the size of the integer number taken has 32 bits and the number of bits set is 2. So to just check another example, we can change the value to 7. In binary format, the 7 is represented by 0 1 1 1. So the result what we should get is number of bits set to 3. Let's compile. Yeah, as expected, the number of bits set is 3. So this is a simple program how we can manipulate the bit positions and check the bit whether it is set or not. For more such videos and technical learnings, please subscribe to the channel Bits and Bytes. Thank you.